Hi, I hope you are doing good. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create this accordion in your cargo site. As you can see, that if you will click on any of this, other will automatically get closed. So we will be implementing this in both Cargo 3 as well as Cargo 2. And before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can get more such mm, information. First, you can add a page. After that, we will be creating it using custom HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So first, we will add the HTML. I'll add this website URL in the description. Copy the HTML from here and simply paste it here. And after that, click on update. It will have the basic structure of your accordion. After that, in the CSS, you need to add the CSS so that uh, it looks better like this. After that, if you want to change the text, you need to go in the code review section. Here you can see the accordion thumb, which is basically the accordion thumbnail text. And here you can change the title from here and click on update. As you can see, the title has been updated. Similar way, you can update these content as well, like this. By default, the first one is open. If you want that it should also be closed like other, change this display block to display none, uh, like the others as well. uh, but if you want that it should be open by default, make it display block. Similar way, you can change the text of the uh, accordion tab as well. If you want to add one more accordion, you simply need to go below and copy this code which is from align, this is basically the list, and copy this and paste it again. And now you can see that we have added one more accordion tab. But here you will see some spacing issue, because when we add some editing, and these are the spacing which sometime add by default. Make sure if you see this code in your code editor, uh, delete it and click on update. Now the spacing issue has been resolved. Similar way, you can update the text to heading 4 and make sure to click on update button so that it get updated. And now again you can see there is some spacing issue. uh, Go here and you will see there is one more here, and remove it and click on update. Now if you will now simply go here and publish the changes. Let me open this page. And currently if you will click on this, it will not work because we haven't added the JavaScript code. So you need to go in the global HTML section and click on add the JavaScript code. And now if you will uh, refresh the page, you will see that uh, it is working fine. So this is how you can add the accordion in Cargo 3. If you want to add in Cargo 2, you will get the code from the site, and simply you need to go in the page in which you want to add this, go to the code view, paste the code. And similar way you can add, if you want to add more accordion tab, simply copy this li and make a duplicate copy like this. And similar way you can change the heading, all these things, and click on save. And yeah, it is going to work in Cargo 2 as well. So this is how you can uh, add the accordion in your cargo site. Thank you so much.